It's a DIY Sunday as we remove plastic pipe from my bathroom, well actually leading from the boiler to the bathroom to the kitchen, and it appears that the building industry in certain areas of the UK in the 1960s, late 60s and early 70s were using plastic pipe, which had a known lifespan of 20 to 50 years. Back then they were building houses thinking that the house would only be used and last for up to 50 years. Well, we're now on over 50 years of the life of this home that I'm now moved into, and the plastic pipe has become very brittle. Thankfully, my DIY contractor snapped a piece of this off accidentally, and it's prompted me to replace the last remaining section of plastic pipe, which goes from the boiler to the bathroom and to the kitchen. So we had to dig up the hallway. Show you is here. My lovely hall has now been totally ruined. Well, not ruined, it's a good move actually. Now's the time to do it. And that's the hot water copper pipe, and this pipe was laying in there, which we've now removed. No pain, no gain. And I can see light at the end of the tunnel, and there's the tunnel and I can see light through there, but that will all be plumbed in and filled in this coming week. The pipe's been in that floor since the 29th of July 1968. How do I know that specific date? Well, when they actually put the pipe in and cemented over the floor, somebody actually wrapped the pipe in newspaper. So this chunk of concrete came out of the floor where the plastic pipe was, and the other side is newspaper. And when I looked at the newspaper clippings, they were talking about a Cuban abduction of an airplane and the co-pilot's name, plus Stanley Kubrick's 2001 A Space Odyssey was playing in theatres, in cinemas in London. And so after a bit of research online, I managed to track down that the plane issue in Cuba was the 28th of July, and it was reported in the news on the 29th of July 1968. So that's when that plastic pipe went down. Thank goodness the building industry changed their regulations and they stopped plastic pipe for water mains shortly into the 1970s, of which we all know copper pipe now, which is far longer lasting and much better.